Start.
Excuse me, bro. What is the time, please?
It is 3:50.
What is the day, please?
It is
Start.
Excuse me, bro. What is the time, please?
it is 3:50.
What is the day, please?
It is today.
What is the date, please?
It is 12.
What is the month, please?
It is July.
It's 4 o'clock.
What is the day?
It's Saturday.
What is the date?
It's 12.
What is the month?
It's July.
That's all. Next.
Excuse me, bro. What is the time?
It is 4 o'clock.
What is the date?
It is 12.
What is the day?
It is Tuesday.
What is the month?
It is July. Hello, bro. Excuse me, bro. What is the time?
It's 4 o'clock.
What is the date?
It's 12.
What is the day?
It's Tuesday.
What is the month?
It's July. Thank you, bro. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Get up. You. Not you. You. Arvaz.
Hello, bro. What is your time, please? Excuse me, bro. What is your time, please?
It is 5.
What is
खराब हो
what is the time, please?
It is 4 o'clock.
What is the day, please?
It is 12.
What is the month, please?
It is July.
What is the date, please?
It is 12. Hello. What is the time?
It's 4 o'clock.
What is the month?
It's July.
What is the time?
It's 4 o'clock.
What is the day?
It's Saturday. Nice to meet you.
Hello, bro. What is the time, please?
It's 4 o'clock.
What is the date, please?
It's Tuesday.
What is the date, please?
It's 12.
What is the month, please?
It's July. Hello, bro. What is the time?
It's 3:50.
What is the day?
It's Tuesday.
What is the date?
It's 12.
What is the month?
It's July. Thank you.
You both get up. You and you.
Excuse me, bro. What is the date? It's Tuesday. What is the date? It's 12. What is the month? It's July. What is the date? It's 12.
Now it's your turn. Continue.
Hello, bro. Nice to meet you. What is the time, please? It's 4 o'clock. What is the date, please? It's 12. What is the date, please? It's Tuesday. What is the month, please? It's July.
Excuse me, bro.
Yes.
What is the time, please?
It is 3:50.
What is the day, please?
It is Friday.
What is the month, please?
It is July.
What is the day, please? Date, please.
July. Excuse me, bro. What is the time, please?
It's 4 o'clock.
What is the time? What is the date, please?
It's 11.
What is the date, please?
Date.
Date.
It's day. Friday.
What is the month, please?
It's July.
Nice to meet
Thank you.
Excuse me, bro. What is the time? It's 5 o'clock. What is the day? It's 12. What is the date? It's 12. What is the month? It's July. You will go. What is the time? It is 5 o'clock. What is the date? It is Tuesday. What is the month? It is July. What is the date? It is 12. First is 15.
You, both. Get up. Start.
Excuse me, sister. What is the time? It is 4 o'clock. What is the date, please? It is 12. What is the month, please? It is July. What is the day, please? It is Monday. What is the time? It is 4 o'clock. What is the month? It is July.
And why are you looking outside?
What is the date? It is Tuesday. What is the date? It is 12.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Is it? You and get up. Okay.
Excuse me, sister. What is the time? It's 4 o'clock. What is the month? It's July. What is the day? It's Monday. What is the date? It's 12. Is it you, sister? What is the time? It's 4 o'clock. What is the day? It's 12. What is the day? It's 12. What is the month? It's July.
You.
Excuse me, sister. What is the time?
It's 4 o'clock.
What is the day?
It's Tuesday.
What is the date?
It's 12th.
What is the month?
It's July. Excuse me, sister. What is the time?
It's 4 o'clock.
What is the month?
It's July.
What is the day?
It's Tuesday.
What is the date?
It's day 12.